Hi everyone, my name's Juliet, and today I'm giving you an overview of 5 places within Scrivener where you can keep information about your book that isn't your manuscript. First up, the binder. That's the list of documents in the left-hand sidebar. This is the most obvious space because it's labelled. If you open up templates, you'll see that there are document templates you can use for characters and settings. But you can also create your own sections here, or under Research, using the usual folder and document tools. You can import detailed research, links to external websites, and to your own documents. You can add in inspirational images you found. I'm sure you can think of a lot more things. All the information you need to write your book can be included here. The corkboard. This is probably one of the things you heard people talk about before purchasing Scrivener. Each document within a folder in your manuscript also has a corkboard page, so your folder corkboard is seen when you click on Manuscript. This is where you can keep your plotting and planning for that scene, if you're a plotter rather than a discovery writer, or even if you want to add in information after the fact. The maximum display size for these is 9 by 5, as shown here, but there is a scroll bar so you can include all the detail you need. Now for the less obvious places. Project and document notes. When in your manuscript, if you keep the Inspector sidebar open, accessed by the eye on the toolbar, you'll see that there's a section called Project Notes General. This is a box where you can type information about your project that you don't want to forget. It could be facts about characters. It could be notes about what you need to do. It could be correct spellings of character names. The choice is yours. But you're not restricted to project notes. If you use the little arrows, you'll see that you can change it to document notes. This is the same thing, but for a specific document. So maybe you'd want to write a note to yourself about something you need to do in that scene. Comments. You can also create comments about specific sentences or words. Maybe you want to check that you're using the correct word, for example, but interrupting your writing to do that would be too disruptive. Highlight the text and under the Format menu, you'll find Comment. Select it and type your comment into the box that appears. You can also access this under the Footnotes and Comments icon in the Inspector. Deleting the comment will delete the highlight in the text once you've finished with it. You can also do inline annotations if you wish, but this might make your document look too busy. Document references. There's also a specific section for document references. These are basically links to relevant information. This is also accessed via the Inspector, using the little books icon. So, for example, you might want to link to a particular page in your document, or you could link to an external website. This might be more useful for non-fiction users. So that's it for today. 5 places within Scrivener where you can store information that isn't your actual manuscript. I hope this has been useful. You might want to check out the playlist here for all the other Scrivener videos. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you next time.